This is Shakil Ahmed. In this tutorial, we will discuss about PP plot or QQ plot, that is called quantile plot or probability versus probability plot, which is used to check whether the data follows a normal distribution or not. That is a very widely used graphical method for assessing normality. So there are few steps you can do. For example, before applying a t-test, we need to we need to check whether the data follows a normal distribution. For example, we have data on BMI for the two groups, and we just want to check whether the BMI of a specific group follows a normal distribution or not. First, we filter the data and keep and take the individuals with uh, diabetes. So this is the BMI of those who have diabetes, and I'm just writing here BMI, and this is the data on BMI. Sorry, it's not copied. You can just try again, copy, and then we can paste here. So the one option is to just make a histogram. You can just do using the histogram option, recommended chart, and all charts, and then make a histogram. But the data is very little, and it's not making a perfect histogram. So the other way is to check the to make the quantile and quantile plot or probability versus probability plot. That is called PP plot. So we start with a PP plot. Although you can make a quantile plot, or you can use the quantiles, or you can use the cumulative probabilities. So first we need to find the ranks, rank of the observation. This is we are finding the rank of each observation using rank average command, and then the reference is going from. You need to put $sign to fix the references. Otherwise, it will vary when you drag to the next value. So A2 to A15. We have 14 observations. So here you again need to put the $sign and $sign 15. And the order is ascending, so you need to put 1 and just enter. So this is the rank for the first observation. And these are the ranks. Now we can find the cumulative probability corresponding to these ranks. So these are called observed probability. You can write observed cumulative probability or just probability. That is the jth observation or the ith observation minus zero point 0.5 and divide by n. What is n? N is 14 in this case. So this value is the largest value, so it's giving the largest rank. Although you can sort out the data, we can sort the data from smallest to largest just using the sort command. It will be easy for you to understand how the things are going when you sort the data. Sort smallest to largest. Expand the selection means you are selecting. Now you will see the observed probabilities are cumulative probabilities. This is the probability that an observation is less than or equal to 18.2, that is 0.035, 3.5%. Now we will find the theoretical probabilities. So we need to first find the value of z using BMI, standardized BMI. That is, what is the standardized BMI? We need to first find the mean and variance of the data. You can just find the mean as the average and just select these observations, and you can find the variance standard deviation. We are using standard deviation of sample, and then again select the observations and then close. So this is the mean and this is the standard deviation, and we can now find the standardized value, the observation minus mean and divide by standard deviation. Now, these are the standardized values corresponding to these probabilities. Sorry, it's not working. So we need to fix these values. Again, using the dollar sign here. Sorry, you can just put dollar sign here, and in these two values, the mean and variances are fixed. Otherwise, it will automatically take the next value. Now we can find the values. These are the standardized values. Now, using the standardized values, we can find the cumulative probabilities. These are called theoretical probabilities. That is normal distribution. And what is x? X is the BMI, and mean is 0, and variance is 1. Although you can use this standard normal distribution instead of normal distribution. And the cumulative is true. It means we are finding the cumulative probabilities. It's 1. It should not be 1. We need to use this standardized BMI, not the actual BMI. So you need to just put the standardized BMI. We are using standard normal distribution, right? So these are the theoretical probabilities corresponding to each observation. Now we can plot these two variables using a scatter plot. That will be the quantile and quantile plot, or the probability and probability plot. You can use insert and then go to the charts and then go to the scatter plot. This plot is seems very good, and uh, the 45-degree line is missing. You can just add using a trend line, although you can add a 45-degree line uh, using the same values of these two observations. Uh, so this is a 45-degree line. So the deviation from these 45-degree lines is showing the non-normality of the data. So the data is not normal in this case. So this is just a quantile and probability and probability plot. You can just write P plot. And here you have the you can give the title to the x-axis and y-axis based on data. And this is the observed probabilities, I think, and these are the expected probabilities, theoretical probabilities. So that's all about the PP plot. Thank you.